Audible to everyone? Just type yes in the chat box if you are able to listen my voice. Audible to everyone? Just type yes in the chat box if you are able to listen my voice. Okay, if someone joined today first session, okay, I'm taking demo session 3 here. In the demo session 1, okay, I have just explained about project details, and in the demo session 2, we have just given a basic introduction. Okay, please go through these links, and regular notes will be given for demos in this link. Everyone, okay, I'm just giving this in the chat box. Click on that link and log into that one through Gmail. Okay, enter this link in the browser. Okay, it will ask you to log in and just click on accept for join. Okay, there I'll be posting the notes. Everyday notes you can just access there. If you click on that option, okay, you can see the notes, everyday notes, okay, and diagrams until all demos completed. This is a location where you can access, and recording videos also provided there. Video links also provided. Just click on that link and directly it will start. You can just watch that video. So if someone missed last session, please go through this. Still, if you have any other question, feel free to contact admin Srikanth. His WhatsApp number I'm just giving. Okay, so this admin Srikanth sir number. Okay, still if you have any questions to ask, okay, regarding payment details or anything here, okay, like this. Sudhir, I think you joined today first session. At last, I'll explain your questions. Let me take a demo. If someone joined today first session, you might be having some doubts and questions. Okay, definitely I'll explain at the last. Okay, for whom this project is suitable, how many projects I'll cover, okay, how much experience you can keep. Okay, at last I'll activate your mic also. You want to, if you want, you can speak to me. So let us start session today. Okay, so yesterday I just gave overview. If you want to start coding part, the most and important thing we have to learn. Okay, we have to learn first domain concept, second design concept, and third development. Okay, domain in real time we don't involve mostly as a developer, but we have to know what is that actually and what are the functional requirements and all available that we should know here. Design part I'm going to start today. Look at how I'm just going to draw the designs. Observe very carefully. I'll start from very basic, and I'll go up to very high level. Okay, and you have to submit your question and answers the next day of the class completed in classroom drive. Okay, I just gave link, right? Okay, you can just access to this link. There you have to submit your task also. I'll be giving everyday task. Today we start, okay, actual classes here. Just observe. Okay, you can submit here. Please don't post anything there. Okay, don't post unnecessary things that will make disturbance. In case of really any requirement, doubts, problems, there you post. Okay, let's continue today. So design part I'm going to show. Okay, let us start the design part. Okay, in the design part, three important things are there. Okay, one is actually UML. Okay, second one is actually DFD, and third one is actually ER. Okay, whatever the order you learn, final three are required. Sir, I'll start with the UML. Okay, no problem. I'll start with the DFD. Very good. Okay, I'll start with the ER. Okay, whatever the thing you learn here, finally three required. Definitely, you must have these three knowledge. Then only you can do code in an easy way as an expert. Okay, otherwise you are going to buy hard. Okay, and the most important here, okay, there should be a good grip on database. Okay, yesterday, so I just gave only overview. Today we start some coding part here and designing part here. Okay, how to do designing and some small task also I'm going to provide. So look at very carefully. So we have three types of designs. Three types of designs. The first one, UML. Unified Modeling Language. Second one, it's a DFD, Data Flow Design. Third one, ER, Entity Relation. Okay. Okay. Yeah, this is designs related to projects. Okay, so if you are learning the projects, these are three different types of designs will be there. Whatever the design you follow here, that's not an issue. Okay, so finally, whatever you start, that's not an issue. Finally, you should know three. Okay, so but I'll start with the ER, entity relation. Okay, if you have learned Hibernate programs, data JPA programs, you might be knowing, but here in the project, there will be multiple tables. Okay, there will be multiple tables in a project. Okay, never think there will be one table, two tables will be there and they are going to be independent. Okay, writing mini projects in the course is different. Writing major project in real time is different. Okay, there will be lot of tables involved and every table will be connected with another table. Okay, by using primary key foreign key relation. One table primary key, another table foreign key. Okay, primary key foreign key relations. Okay, before going to see that, okay, what are the actual relations we are going to use in real time? Okay, that's actually one to one. Second one to many. Okay, next one, it's a many to one, and next one, it's a many to many. This is very important, sir. Every project definitely contains these four relations, definitely minimum. Okay, these are going to be minimum requirement here. Okay, it's a one to one, one to many to one, and many to many. Okay, so point number one, you have to understand. Listen, sir, I'll give task also. Point number one, every table must have primary key, which is actually going to hold unique values and not null values. Okay, there's an identity column also we can call. It's an ID column. We can also call ID column. Okay, to link one table with another table. Okay, use primary key foreign key columns link. Okay, that's actually primary key foreign key columns link. Okay, yeah, after ER diagram completed, we'll come to UML and DFD also. Every diagram I'll explain, not to worry. Listen. Okay, first ER completed. Based on the ER, I'll come to UML. Okay, Java equivalent. Once UML done, we go for DFD. Order slightly different, but finally we learn three. Okay, so here this is a primary key. It's a foreign key concept. Okay, primary key foreign key relation will be there. Okay, look at now the question, sir, which side primary key, which side foreign key? What is the meaning of many to one? What is the meaning of one to many? You will be having questions. Okay, these are actually taken from your generalized requirements only. Okay, these are actually from your generalized requirements only here. So listen, I'm just asking some simple questions, you give answer. I'm just asking some simple questions, you give answer here one by one. Okay, yeah, today demo 3, sir, I'm just starting. Okay, treat like today only regular class started. Okay, first session and second session I gave overview. You can access here. At last I'll come to your question and answers. Just listen everyone. Okay, I'll come to each and every concept, so please listen. Okay, I'm just giving some questions. Okay, so what is the meaning of this one? Which one is suitable? Okay, so there is one person or one student you take. One student is actually attending sessions. Okay, I want to store his address details. Tell me, one student can have how many address? or which one is suitable here? One to one, one to many, many to one, many to many. General questions, general answer. Sometimes it may have multiple matchings also, even based on requirements. Okay, one student can have multiple address. Okay, why like that? One is present address, permanent address. Okay, something like, yeah, contact address you can take here, hostel address, like that. Okay, sometimes multiple students can be staying in same address also in case of hostel. Okay, but we are not considering that scenario. If we consider like that, actually it is going to become many to many. Based on requirements, listen very carefully. Based on requirements, sometimes relation changes. Okay, never think that always it is a fixed. Okay, for example, you take a scenario. For example, 3 students are staying in same address, right? Okay, then in that case, many students will be staying in one address. In that case, it is going to become many to many. Okay, remember. So I'm just taking few scenarios and I'm explaining here. Observe. Okay, next question. Next question. Okay, one student can learn how many courses? Like Java, .NET, PHP, Hibernate, Spring Boot, like that we have. Okay, one student can learn how many courses? Yeah, it's a many. Very good. In the same way, even many students can learn same course, right? Many students can also learn same course. Is that possible? Yes. So one to many, both sides are implemented. If you have one to many both sides, then recommended to choose many to many. Okay, it's a good approach, good one. Okay, good one is many to many. Okay, so remember, based on your project requirements, one to one, many to many, many to one. Okay, one to one will be chosen based on your project requirement. Some people ask, sir, how can I choose this one only? No, you should not choose. First, take your project requirement. What is your project requirement? Based on that, you mention that one. Okay, let me ask some more additional things here. Okay, there is actually one, yeah, there is actually one user is there. One user. Okay, so assumption is a Paytm, Paytm account, right? Paytm. Okay, Paytm or something like equivalent Google Pay. One user is there. Okay, is doing transactions, bill payment, electricity bill payment, mobile recharge. Okay, booking bus ticket, like that. Tell me. Okay, one user can do how many transactions? Yeah, one to many. Okay, so many transactions are done by one user, like that also you can say. Same transaction cannot be done by second user, sir. That will become different transaction. Okay, so it's a one to many. It's a one to many. Again, I'm writing here one user. Okay, he has to apply at the time of creating the Paytm. Okay, you might have listened something like KYC. Did you listen anytime? KYC, know your customer. That's a full form, KYC. Okay, recently Paytm says no KYC required. That's a different scenario. Okay, so user needs something I'm just calling as a profile. Okay, it is asking something like a PAN card. Let us just take a simple point. It's a PAN card. Now tell me, one user or one person can have how many PAN cards? Multiple, sir? No, not possible. I don't know you are from which country or which continent. Of course, which planet too. Okay. So here only one person can have only one PAN card. So that depends on the requirement. Okay. So here, yeah, one PAN card. I don't know, two PAN cards will never issue, sir. I think if you lost second PAN card, you might have got Aadhaar card, PAN card, driving license. Those will be unique only. Okay. So that depends on the relations here. It's illegal, sir. Having two PAN cards is illegal. I think so. Okay. Now tell me, employee joined to a company, IT field. IT field. There will be some departments, right? Department, IT field. Okay, tell me, okay, which relation is suitable? Employee and department. Okay, what is the best relation? One to one, one to many. You only think and give answer. Wrong answer also fine. Nothing will happen, sir. Maximum data waste. Okay, your mobile data will be wasted. Nothing will happen. You can give answer. Okay, that's actually many employees can be in one department. Many employees can be in one department. Chandrasekhar, you raise the hand, right? Okay, at last I'll give chance to ask your questions. As of now, just you give answers. Okay, I'll ask questions, you give answer. At last, you can ask questions to me, I'll give answer. Okay, so follow this one. So it's the best suitable is many to one. There are many employees related to one department. Okay, there could be Sam. Okay, just example, Sam can be working in development department, Syed can be working in the development department, Ajay can be working in development department. Example like this I'm just taking here. So many related to one department. Okay, so or else you can write one department can have multiple employees. First department will be there, then employees will be added. So understand the point. Okay, if you take a project, there will be multiple tables, and multiple tables, they are going to have relations one with another. Okay, okay. So based on the requirements, they may slightly changes. Okay, based on the requirement, as I mentioned, right, there could be many students staying in same hostel address, then in that case slightly changes. Okay, already as I mentioned. Okay, remember that. So based on project requirement, we have to choose them. Today we are going to learn them technically, how we have to implement this technically. I am going to show. Yeah, depends on scenario. Okay, depends on company project requirement. Okay, maximum you are going to get a standard one. Some situations, some worst situations will be there. Okay, you may have multiple options to choose. Okay, let me show technical design. Okay, let me show technical design here. Okay, so I'm just taking, okay, I'm not involving any table name here, I'm just showing technical design. This is table one. Listen very carefully, sir, this is very 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 important. In the future, there will be no project without this concept. If you do that, that's not called project, that is actually called a program, a simple application, small program. Okay, this is I'm just taking as a table one. Okay, table one is actually having column one, it's a primary key, it's a column one. Okay, and this is table two, table two, and column two. Follow my instructions clearly. I'll give example task also for you later. Okay, you should submit the answers even. Okay, table one and table two, two tables are there. They have individual primary keys. This is primary key of this table, must. Okay, it's a must, it's a primary key and primary key. Okay, simple hint, you remember every country must have prime minister, every table must have primary key. Okay, like that you remember. Okay, these are the two tables we have, table one and table two. I'm just taking four scenarios: one to one, one to many, many to one, and many to many. Okay, four scenarios I'm just taking here just to cover those. Okay, then I'll come to some examples also. So I'm just giving one hint. I'm just giving one hint. Okay, just it's a hint only. Foreign key column is created at star many side. You listen, you don't give answer now, you just listen. When I ask question, then you listen, you answer. Star many side, just a simple hint. Okay, this hint works in some scenarios but not all cases. Okay, remember this, a small hint I'm providing. How can we remember which side foreign key column will come? Many side. Okay, let us start here. I'm just taking the requirement, it's a one to many. It's a one to many. I'm just taking a requirement here. Look at. Okay, so here this is one to many. One is representing table one, star many is representing table two. One is representing table one, many is representing table two. So table two side foreign key column will come. Okay, this side foreign key column will come. So star side, table two side. Okay, C1 FK, any column name you can write, that's not a issue. Okay, so table two side foreign key column, one side primary key, one side primary key, star side foreign key, like this. So one side primary key here you can see, and many side foreign key. Okay. Like this. So this relation, it's a design only. It's not actual example. I'll come to examples after this. Okay. Now next one, left side table, right side table, like that also you can remember. This I'm just taking, it's a many to one, many to one. Okay, so here this is actually in case of many to one design. In case of many to one design, one indicates actually table two, and star indicates actually it's a table one. So this side, okay, one side primary key means C2 will become many side foreign key. So column name, it is going to be something like C2FK. Any column name, column names and table names, your interest. Okay, this actually created as C2FK. Hope you're following my points. I'll come to examples, don't worry. Then you have to give answer, not now. Okay, when I ask question, you have to give answer, not now. So you listen as of now. Okay, now in case of many to many, in case of many to many, okay, many to many. So here you may think, so this side foreign key will come and this side foreign key will come. Yes, answer is yes. If you think like that, C2 primary key as a C2 foreign key, C1 primary key as a C2 foreign key, both sides. Okay, if you think like that, yes, it's correct. But data JPA, okay, we are actually following the database programming here that will create one additional table. Look at the scenario. Oh, it's different. Additional table, third table is created. Such a third table is going to come with the two foreign key columns. Okay, one is C2FK, C1FK, and C2FK. You call Hibernate or data JPA. Okay, this actually created. One additional table is created like this. Okay, this actually called join table. This is called join table. Okay, with the two foreign key columns. This is foreign key column one. Okay, or join column one, it is created. And it's a foreign key column two. It's a join column two. It's a created. So having clarity and tables are very, very, very important, sir. That's why I'm starting this point here. So this is join column one, or simply programmatically it is called join column. This is join column two. Join column two, but instead of giving join column two, they are giving a name called reverse, inverse join column. Name given like that, actual join column, reverse join column like that, name given like this. Okay, so in case of one to many, many side. In case of many to one, many side. In case of many to many, third table. Okay, third table is created. Now let us go for here. Okay, now here I'm just going for one to one. Okay, I'm just taking here, this is one to one. Okay, in case of one to one, there is a no direct implementation given for one to one, sir. There is no direct given implementation. No, it's a foreign key required. Based on the hint, what you may think, star side, many side foreign key column created. There is no star symbol. There is no foreign key. No, no, no. Foreign key must required. Foreign key must required. Primary key, foreign key must. Okay. In case of one to one, okay, there is no direct implementation given here. We are going to use many to one internally. Why like that? Yeah, definitely I'll show once we start coding part here. Remember, as of now, okay, there's a rule we have to follow as per the Hibernate data JPA. We follow many to one, and many side we add one condition called unique. Okay, many star with unique internally behaves like a one to one. Internally behaves like a one to one. So when you get one to one requirement, we have to take many to one, and many side add a condition called unique. Now this is special case, you remember here, it's a C2FK. Okay, it's a C2FK. Now here, this actually joined, it's a foreign key. Okay, these are the four designs. Hope you're able to see. Now this design, now only I'm just uploading in the classroom drive for your reference. Just I'm uploading now itself for your reference. You can download now. and you can open in your system and you can be ready. Okay, of course, I'll completely upload after class done. It's a notes 12/08/2021. It's a demo 3 daily notes. Okay, you can just download now. Click on that link which I just gave now. You can join here. Everyone, you can join now. Click on this link. Okay. When you get one-to-one relation, please click on that link, everyone, and join to that. Demo 2 notes is there. Demo 1 notes is not there. Only video is there. Okay. In case of one-to-one, okay, there is no direct one-to-one implementation. Even you have one-to-one, okay, use many to one concept. Many side means this side we have to apply a condition called unique. We have to apply a condition called unique. Okay, that's a design process you have to follow, because there is no direct implementation given. If you use one-to-one, it won't create any foreign key column. That's why we use many to one, many with unique. Many with unique internal meaning is actually one only, sir. Many with unique internal meaning is actually one only. So we follow these relations. Okay, hope you're clear this one. Okay, please join to the link, everyone. You can access the notes there, because I'll use the task. You have to submit the task there. I already said it should be interactive session. Okay, I'm explaining, you are listening and you are sleeping. No, it's not useful. Okay, it should be completely interactive sessions. Okay, this diagram I have posted. Now let us start coding part. Okay, simple question I'm asking here. Okay, question number 1. Okay, look at the example. Tell me, which side foreign key column created? Student side or address side? Wrong answer also fine. You can give answer. Wrong answer also no problem, sir. Hint you remember? Star side. I'm just giving hint also. Okay. So answer is address side. Star address side. Star address side. Okay. Now tell me, student and course, which side foreign key column created? Address side foreign key column is created. In this case, third table with 2 foreign key columns. You got third table is called join table. Okay, join table. No problem. Give wrong answer. See, without giving wrong answer, without doing mistakes, no one can learn. No problem. Okay, no need to say sorry. Remember, I am your teacher. You are my student. You can give wrong answer. I'll correct you. That is only my task. Ask again one more time. No problem. Okay, nothing to worry. Okay, do mistakes. Okay, don't sit silent. If you sit silent here, you will sit silent in interview also. If you sit silent in interview, you will come to hostel or home. Your parents or friends will ask what happened. Then also you will sit silent. Okay, later you will get married. Your spouse will ask what happened. Then also you'll sit silent. Your kids will ask what happened. Then also you will sit silent. Your grandkids will ask what happened. Then also you will sit silent. You want to sit your lifetime silent, or you want to speak now? Okay, choose what you want to do. Okay, it's in your hand. Always remember. Okay, speak. Wrong answer also nothing to worry. I'll support. I'll help. Okay, without doing mistake, nothing to worry. Okay, so now tell me, this example, which side foreign key column created? Yeah, user side or transaction side? Hint is many. Okay, very good. So transaction side foreign key column is created. It's impossible, sir. Without doing mistake, learning is impossible. Even I too did so many mistakes. How many mistakes you do and how much you learn from that, that much perfect you are going to be. An expert is the one who did so many mistakes, sir, in my view. And he has come to know that what is the mistake and he has learned from that. Okay, we have to rectify this and do it. Okay, whatever the mistakes you did, remember that and make it correct. Give answer. Person and PAN card. Some people get no foreign key. No, definitely foreign key required here. Person and PAN card, 1-to-1, right? Okay, in that case, person and PAN card, in that case, what we have to choose? Choose many to one. If we have 1-to-1, choose many to one and apply condition at many side, means table 1 side it will come. Okay, So in that case, use many to one here, plus unique condition will come, So person side. Clear? Don't worry, we'll see practical view also. Okay, first we are learning theory, and coding also I'm going to show here. Okay, in case of one to one, many to one plus unique. Okay, just it's on a special scenario, remember. Don't worry, again I'll repeat. Okay, look at step. I'll show multiple examples. Okay, employee and department. Employee and department. Very good. Many side. It's a employee side. Foreign key column is created. Okay, let us do some designing part continuation. Okay, let us do some designing part continuation. I'm just taking scenario one. This scenario one, I'll draw in front of you. Scenario two, example two, I'll give it to you. Okay, look at, you might not be clear with all these examples. Don't worry, follow my instructions. Remember that. Okay, now you be silent and watch it now. Just be silent and watch it. Just I'm taking a generalized example. There is actually one college, your academic college. Okay. College table. Okay, it's a CA1. Okay. In a college, there are multiple branches. Branch table, column names and table names, anything, sir. I'll take some short names. Okay, it's a BA1. Okay, for every branch there will be HODs, right? Head of department, HOD tab. Okay, it's a HA1. Okay, in a branch there will be some courses, okay, or subject. There will be some subject. Okay, here I'm just writing SA1, and there are finally student. Okay, here S1, like this I'm writing. Remember the primary key names. Okay, remember the primary key names, and here these are all primary keys. Primary key, primary key, primary key. This is a small case study, star. If your success here, it's really super. Okay, don't worry, failure also no problem, you're going to learn there. Okay, now first, college and branch I'm connecting. Tell me, for a college, how many branches will be there? College and branch, or branch and college, however you take, no problem. As of now, later I'll show how to take which one is parent and which one is child. Branch and college. Show me the relation between, branch and college like this. Okay. So I am saying one college contains many branches. Answer is like this, or many branches will be there in one college. So answer is, it's a many to one, and this side if you learn here, it's a one to many. Sometimes you may get confused, sir, is that one to many or many to one? I'll show once coding part comes. In Java, we are going to have parent class and child class concept. Then you'll understand. Temporarily, it's a many to one, one to many. Don't get confused. Just remember that. Okay, just remember that. Okay, once you go to parent and child concepts, then you'll understand. Okay. Now, in a branch, how many HODs will be there, sir? One branch. Generally, I feel only one, right? Okay, I don't know about your colleges. It's a one to one, correct? It's a one to one. Head of the department. HOD means head of the department. Okay. Now next one. In a branch, okay, if you take CSC branch, okay, IT branch, okay, or something ECE branch, how many subjects will be there in a branch? One branch contains many subjects, right? And same subject can be exist in multiple branches, right? Okay, there are many subjects in one branch. This is point number one. Hope you're following. There are many subjects in a branch. Okay, and there one subject can be in many branches. Example, English, C language. Okay, yeah, you take something like examples. Okay, I remember only mathematics. Yes, so many microprocessors. Okay, yes, when you are learning is different. When I am learning different, that's why I'm showing here. So it's a both sides one to many. So best suitable is actually what? It's a many to many. Clear? It's a many to many. Hope you're getting. Best suitable, I'm checking. Okay. Okay. Student is going to join the branch, sir. Student will never join to subject. Student will join to branch. One student can join to how many branches? Generally, one student can be joined to one branch only. Understanding, sir? Okay. Now let us create foreign key columns. Let us create foreign key columns. Hope you're clear up to this. I am creating. You just tell me yes or no. No, you need not give answer. I am creating here. Okay. Next example, completely I'll give it to you. Even though you ask, I won't give answer. Okay. Let us start one by one. Okay. So here, yeah, this is relation. There will be one student can be joined to one branch. Okay. It's not over. So we'll wait for a second. And there are scenario, there could be many students can be joined to one branch. Okay, this is a better one. We are going to get even. This could be many to one, sir. Best suitable is many to one, because there could be many students can take same branch, and one student can never learn two branches at a time. That's not possible. If you take education requirement like that, it's a different scenario. Yeah, 60 students in one branch means that's a many to one only. Okay, it's a many to one only. Okay, I'll give chance to you only, not a issue. If you really understood, super. College and branch, tell me which side foreign key column created. College table, let us take this relation. College table and branch table. You really understood? Okay, I'll give chance to you only. I want to give explanation. Super, sir. Okay, some people giving wrong answer. Okay, many side, very simple hint I gave. Remember the hint. Many side create foreign key column. Not bad. So here it's a branch side. I expect you will not give answer. Super. Okay, I'm just creating column name. Anything is okay. CA1FK. I'm writing like this just for understanding purpose. Just for understanding purpose, I'm writing like this. CA1FK. Okay. Now let us take second relation. Let us take second relation. HOD and branch. HOD and branch. In case of 1 to 1. Okay. In case of 1 to 1. Okay. What is the relation we have to replace? In case of 1 to 1, what we have to take here, sir? Use many to one. Please look at use many to one. Many side apply unique condition. Remember this only scenario. Use many to one, and many side you have to apply a condition, unique condition. This diagram I'm uploading. Sorry, it's uploaded to one person. Wait for a second. Don't use chat box for a second. Don't use chat box for a second. I'm just uploading the diagram in a chart. Yeah, it is uploaded to everyone. You can download there. Okay. So now look at, now I'm just coming to this relation. It's a branch and HOD. It's a 1 to 1 relation, right? In case of 1 to 1, please choose many to one. Just now I uploaded diagram in the chart. In the classroom also it is there. In the classroom also it is there. You can download from there. Please join to classroom also, everyone. Join to classroom also. There you can find the notes. There also you can find. Okay. Now here, look at. So here, now tell me. In case of many to one, it's a many to one we are taking. Okay, left side table only we have to take many. Simple answer, Sunita. Left side table you take it. It's a good approach. Now tell me, which side? I'm giving chance to you only. Why I should say no for your interest? HOD and branch. Which side? Super. Good. So this I'm just writing BA1 EFK. Column names anything, just I'm writing for understanding. BA1 EFK. Next one, student and branch table. Student and branch table. No, Sridhar, these tables we don't create manual in the future. These are auto-generated tables. Okay, in case of data JP, with this structure only they are going to be created. Student and branch, you can give answer. It's a many side. Many side. Can you tell me the column name this time? Can you tell me the column name this time? It's a BA1 EFK. Of course, you can write any name. That's not an issue. Finally, I'm just coming. Yeah, this is completed. Completed. Okay. Some people asking questions in the middle. I'm unable to see, sir, because so many people giving answer. Please hold your question. At last, I'll come to you. Okay, I'll activate mic. You can speak to me if you want. Or else at last, you can ask questions to me. Okay, first listen and follow my instructions. There will be some other scenarios. I said, right? There will be some multiple scenarios. Okay, in case of one-to-one, okay, Ritesh, I think you joined late. If you want to implement one-to-one, use many to one, many with unique. Many with unique internally, again, one only. It's not many to one, sir. It's a one-to-one only. Many with unique behaves like a one-to-one because there is no direct implementation given in data JP. Okay, this Hibernate direct one-to-one annotation is not provided with foreign key column. That's why we use this one. Many with unique, remember that. Okay, I'll give the notes at last. Don't worry. Okay. After explanation of this, I want to give, but you are giving answers. Super. Now tell me, subject and branch, what will happen? Subject and branch. Let us go for the last one. Super. Not fourth table, it's a third table we have to call. An additional table is created here. With how many foreign key columns? Yes. It's a two foreign key columns. SA1 FK, BA1 FK. Get adjusted because of sizes. When you understand the subject, sir, then you will really enjoy the subject. Okay. If you don't understand the subject, then watching a French movie in Malayalam language without any subtitles. Okay, just example I'm saying. You might be knowing Malayalam. Okay, just an example, sir. Don't take it serious. It's a FK column and FK column. So here, this is structure. I expected that I'll give that second example you will do, but first example only so much you have done. Okay, of course, you might be having 1-2 doubts here. If you do practice of multiple examples, definitely. Okay, don't worry, I'm going to give. Let me give some points. Please concentrate. Okay, I'm just giving as a note. It's not over. We have to discuss a lot. Okay, point number 1. Okay, to link two tables, foreign key column created at many side for one to many and many to one. Okay, point number B. Okay, in case of one to one, okay, use many to one, okay, and many side unique condition. Many side unique condition. Okay, one student asked doubt, sir. Really good one. Even I expected so many people will ask, sir, why can't we use one to many with unique? Okay, why can't we use one to many with unique? Did you get this doubt? Okay, what I said, do you have one to one relation? Then I said use many to one. Many with unique behaves like a one. Okay, why can't use one to with unique? Yes, we can use. Okay, but it is going to be a collection type, memory waste concept. Definitely you can use, sir. Okay. Okay, yes, we can use. It's a memory waste. Why it's a memory waste, I'll show later. Okay, if you get this doubt, really super. Okay, in case of one to many, child many concept is called collection category. Child many is actually called collection category. Later we classify this actually called non-collection, and this called collection category. Memory waste is actually here. That's why it's not recommended. Definitely you can use it. Okay, this is recommended approach. It's a recommended approach. Okay, point number C. Okay, if we use many to many, okay, then if we use many to many, then okay, third table that is actually called join table is created with two foreign key columns. Okay, join column, names given like that, join columns, and inverse, that means reverse, inverse join column. Instead of giving join column 1 and 2, okay, they gave names like that. Okay, so here, okay, the names given by data JPA, their interest, we can't say why you gave name like that. Okay, for example, someone will call you Bujji, Bangaram, Kitty, Kanan, Nanna like that. Okay, you can't say why they are calling like you. That's their interest. Okay, so society has given us such a chance to call with your interested names. Okay, so this is a design, because there will be many to many relations required. This primary key, foreign key combinations will be provided. I'll show you the reason. Okay, I'll show you the data, Chandrasekhar. Okay, how it is actually, we need some design to store the data. Okay, so in case of writing, fetching data, in case of using joins, that should not create any loop. Okay, this primary key created here as a foreign key, and this primary key created as a foreign key here, that is going to create as a loop. That's why a separate table is created, which is not going to create a cycle or a loop. That's a design given here. Okay, these are all actually called normalizations. Okay, there is a database concept, if you have listened, it's a normalization. The greatest thing, we need not to create all these tables, sir. These are all auto generated. Happy, no need to create, sir. You need not to create, but you should know how they are going to be. Okay, you are never required to create such tables anytime manually. Okay, yeah, really good, but you should know that in interview they will ask. Okay, here you can escape, but in interview, okay, so data JPA, that is Hibernate providing HBM DDL auto create possibility, that's auto generated here. Okay, so now I'll give one small task. Hope you will do that. Will you? Shall I give a small task today? You need to submit your answer in the classroom drive, sir. Just now I gave link, right? Again, you're asking. Okay. You have to submit this. Okay. I'll draw in front of you only, but need not to give answer now. Okay. Take your own time. Table 1, table 2, table 3, 4, 5. Wrong answer also problem. Nothing to worry. Okay. Will not die. You will not get any fever. Maximum data waste. Some time waste. Reusability. Okay, admin tab, department tab. Okay, customers, contract, vendors. I am giving relations. I am just giving relations here. It's a 1 to 1. It's a many to 1, 1 to many departments connected to many contracts. Sorry, this is many to many. It's a 1 to many. Okay, this is a requirement. Okay, small information to everyone. Okay, admin has sent details in the chat. Okay, if you have any questions, please contact to admin. Okay, admin mobile number I think already I gave to you. It's a Srikanth. For payment details and all here, you can just contact here. I think he has given payment details in the chart also. Is it there? Check it. Yeah, it's there. Please read that complete message. Okay. So hope you understood today's session, everyone. And this task you have to submit by drawing or by writing. Anything is okay. Okay, by drawing or by writing in the classroom drive, Google Classroom drive. Okay, I'll post now. You can give as a comment. Okay, you can give as a comment this side foreign key column created with this column like this, or you can draw and you can upload also, no problem. Okay, no sir, I'm unable to do here, I'm unable to upload here. Feel free to send an email to me. Okay, please download the notes from here. Okay, feel free to send your answer to email. Draw with a pen and paper. Listen, draw with a pen and paper. Take a snapshot using mobile. You take a snapshot using your mobile. Send an email to me. javaby.raghu@gmail.com. Okay, not an issue. Feel free. Wrong answer also, nothing to worry, sir. Okay. So if you have questions, you can ask now one by one. Not an issue. Okay. If someone joined today first session, please watch these 2 sessions. Then you will get so many questions answered. What is the domain and all here? Everything you will be getting. Okay. This table I'll post there. Okay. Just wait for a second. Please wait for a second. So many questions you are asking. Yeah, sure. Definitely I'll support. I'll just upload this. It's a level 2 and level 3, both projects covered here. Front-end technologies, theme leaf, Angular, Bootstrap. Okay, JavaScript basics, I'll teach jQuery. Okay, we are just taking here. Okay, so David, you have question? Wait for a second. Yeah, David, you can speak to me now.
Yeah, hello, sir.
Yeah, David.
Yeah, please. I just want to get clarification on the application of the UNIX to the table. Will the UNIX be applied to the primary key or the foreign key of the parent table?
Your voice is not clear, David.
Maxine, can you hear me?
No, it's actually getting I'm getting disturbance in the middle.
Oh, okay. Then I will send a text. I'll send a text.
Yeah, sure. You can send an email to me better.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Okay, Shubhash.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, you can speak to me. Ask your question.
Okay. So, sir, the whole training session is online or any classroom as well?
I'm getting noise. Why in the middle? Can you use your mic bit louder?
Yes. Sir, the whole training session is online training session or we
Yeah,
need
it's completely online.
Okay. So, can you please share me the recordings of today as well because
Yeah.
I joined today late.
Yeah.
So from tomorrow onwards, we can cover up.
Sure. Definitely, I'll give up to 5 demos videos. I'll give. You can please join to that link. Just now I posted in the chat box.
Yes, previous 2 sessions I got it. But
today's session you will get tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow you will get that.
If I get today late night also, so we can cover it and join today.
Actually, admin has to do that. I'll ask to them.
Okay, sir. Okay.
So there will be projects 4 given. You can keep up to 0 to 3 years one project and 2 years to 6 years another project. If you combine and if you keep both, you can go up to 8 years or 9 years like that. Okay. Akanksha, you want to ask question?
Yes, sir. So my question is that can you show the debugging during the process?
Eclipse debugging, I'll show.
And one more thing, there was the relationship college and branch. So I have a doubt. I mean, there should be many to many relationship also. So
Branch. No, I won't think so.
initially, sir, can you show that
No,
diagram?
that branch code will be there, unique code will be there. So for example, I understood your question. Okay. But something like it's actually CSC branch. Okay, that is CSC branch which you opted in. Okay, branch BA1, something like BA1A will be given like that. Okay, that is to separate where you joined exactly. Okay, in this branch, in this course, okay, which is related to this branch. Okay, XYZ branch, MNO branch. To separate that, we'll be giving branch code and course code combination will be given. So that is going to be in a same relation. That is correct one only. Okay, based on the data, if you take, you are going to understand. Okay, I understood your question. Okay, if you take the data, you are going to understand that case.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Madhavi, you want to speak? Yeah, Niranka,
Hello,
just
sir.
wait for a second. Yeah, Madhav, ask
Okay,
your question.
sorry. Hello, sir. I just joined today. I came to know about this course, and I really would like to know what are the prerequisites and where, what should be the level to join you, and how many days is this course?
All your questions are answered in demo 1 and demo 2. If you please go through this video, so you will get the complete information. Okay, this actually 1.5 hours explained. Was that still you have question? Please send an email to me.
Definitely, sir. Thank you. I appreciate
Sure.
it.
Chandrasekhar, you can ask to me now. If you want to speak to me, raise your hand. I'll unmute your device. Yeah, Sudhir, wait for a second. Yeah, Chandrasekhar.
Raghu, I just want to know, I mean, how long it will take to complete whole 2 projects?
First project will be taken for 45 days to 50 days around. Second project will be taking for 3 months, including mini projects and main projects. Completely live coding.
Okay, so will you share the coding at the end of the?
Yes, complete full code will be given to Classroom Drive, through Classroom Drive.
Okay.
To your registered email, you are going to get all documents, interview questions, okay, project description, architectural designs, table structures, okay, complete full code, deployment steps, interview questions, all you are going to get to soft copies only through your email.
So you mean to say total duration is almost like 5 months to complete both?
No, it won't. Around. Definitely. Because subject will be giving more and live coding, right? I can open yesterday's last batch project. Today I can execute. 3 days I can explain. I can say batch is completed. Like that also you can do it if you want.
Okay.
But
so
live.
You cover more? Sorry, go ahead, please.
Yeah. So if we learn everything step by step, definitely it'll take some time, sir, because it's a project, right?
I understand.
Duration,
I understand.
Duration matters for content.
Correct. So, and one more thing. So will you be covering more on cloud side as well? So because nowadays everybody expecting more cloud side.
Yeah, Spring Cloud and microservice, that is only we are taking 3 months, sir.
Okay.
That's why 3 months.
So what about practice and all? I mean, like, so will you support something to make a practice in my, user end, my end?
No, company related, personal related, we don't, because I am also working employee. I have work. I have to take classes from here. For me, it's a double work. And if I come to there, it's a triple work. You do one thing, you adapt to me. I'll come to your home. We'll sit there. You just give food only every day. I'll do your work better.
No, it's not like that. So cloud environment, how do we practice in my? So
yeah, definitely.
Is there any
support I can give related to our projects, but not other projects. If you have your own requirement, okay, something you want help, I can just give instructions, but I can't involve in your projects.
No. I'm not asking you to involve the one which you are explaining code, right? So
yeah, that will be given.
Okay.
That will be given for sure.
Okay.
Sure.
Thank you.
Roshan, you want to speak?
Yes, hi sir. Today is my first day.
Okay.
The first project will be from microservices.
No. First we go with, in the last session I explained, first we go with the web MVC, then we go for RESTful web services, then we go with microservices.
So the microservices project will come last, right?
Yes, last. Okay, in the order one by one.
And do we have to have thorough knowledge of microservices? Because last class I joined, but most of the time when you were taking classes, I had a meeting, so I didn't attend completely. So will it help now if I do this project of microservices completely? Then I will understand that also. Or can I do this project without knowing the
minimum knowledge you have? At least minimum knowledge you need.
Yeah, that I have.
Okay, need not to be expert, sir. See, a few of my students have done same course from my side. Okay, they might have done 2 years back. Will they remember? No. Mostly no. So for them, I'll revise definitely. Okay, I'll explain. Perfect. However, see, today class you understood, right?
Yeah.
Like that, every concept, one concept I'll explain from my side. Second concept will be given as a task to you. If you do Perfect. Like that, definitely, even if you don't know a particular concept, you will learn for sure. That's a guarantee I can give.
Perfect, sir. Thank you so much.
That's a guarantee.
Second thing, I heard that while you are explaining that you will be uploading videos as well. So for all the classes, we will be having video for this?
No. Only demos.
Oh, only demos.
Only demos.
Okay. That's all. Thank you so much.
Okay. Yeah, Rakesh Sharma, you want to speak?
Hello.
Rakesh, I'm not able to listen your voice.
Now you can listen me. Hello.
Better. Yeah, ask your doubt, please.
Actually, I'm asking to you. I have less knowledge about Spring Boot, and I have a theory knowledge, not a practical. So, is it possible to join to take this course?
Spring knowledge you have?
Yeah, I have, but theoretical knowledge I have.
No, at minimum Spring programmings you do. Did you MVC anytime?
Yeah,
coding required, minimum knowledge coding required.
I have done POC only example, a small example I have completed.
Okay.
Like by tutorial to watch video, I have completed some small program.
No, minimum coding knowledge required.
So how will I do?
So first you have to join to a course, Spring Boot course. Okay. Join to my Facebook account. We are going to start a new batch mostly for Spring Boot at morning sessions within 1 or 2 weeks. Just join to my Facebook. I'm just giving link. Okay. Then you can, once you finish or in the middle of the course, again, if you start any project, you can come to there.
So when next time project will start? Do you have any idea?
January mostly.
So it's around 5 months.
Yes, definitely, because this course will take 2 months for mini and 2 months for Spring Boot and 3 months for microservice, right? It will take some time. So at least 5 months to 6 months.
Okay, so is it possible to watch a tutorial video? Then I can.
I can't say that. That depends on your learning capacity.
Okay. Okay, that's I wanted to ask.
Sudhir, you want to speak, right? I just unmuted you. Sudhir.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, Sudhir.
Sir, like the first project would be, I mean, once we complete the first project, we can keep around 3 years.
Yeah,
and
3
after
years.
that, second project will start. After that, you said 6 years.
Yes.
Okay, once the third project one, we can keep both together as 9 like that.
This is for your experience covering in resume, sir. See, knowledge will be given even more than that based on your practice and all. Okay, first project only you can keep the way you explain the content that's suitable for interview specific perspectives and all, that's going to be. Okay, but the thing, okay, we have to do some, see, based on some versions and also we are going to be, okay, we have to say, previously I worked this project on Spring, now we are recently migrating, like that we have to say, because Spring Boot is not having 6 years of content. Spring Boot is a recent one. Okay, it's not even introduced 6 years back. We have to say we worked on Spring, we migrated to this like this. You have to cover with experience. Subject I'll give like that only, but while writing the resume, while writing the content, some things we need to take care. Understood what I said? Okay, so I'm just stopping session here, sir. We have next session to continue. Okay, yeah, Nirakar, I'm unable to give permission to you. Really sorry. Okay, I have next session. Please feel free to send an email to me. Definitely I'll answer your question or contact with admin. Okay, thank you for session. Prerequisites to learn Spring Boot is actually core Java and advanced Java. We'll continue same timing tomorrow and submit your answers in the classroom drive. Thank you.